The error code F40A is the Peugeot-specific fault that you can't see with a simple generic scanner. You can't possibly get this code when you scan the vehicle with professional software or a good high-end scanner, and the good news is that you should ignore this code, and it's certainly not the source of the problem that you want to solve. In the majority of cases, this code is just found by chance by a Peugeot owner who got good diagnostic software, and then it becomes a big headache because it's very inconsistent and impossible to repair. The truth is that there is nothing you can or should repair with this code. The trouble code means that the computer is not communicating with the engine oil level sensor right now. But the system in Peugeot cars is designed in such a way that once the oil temperature is higher than 40 degrees Celsius, the oil level sensor just shuts off and stops communicating with the system. This is when the F40A code is registered. The reason for this is just because the car doesn't need those level readings anymore. If the level of oil in the engine is low, the pressure sensor will feel it and throw a couple of serious warning lights on the dash of your car. Once the engine is stopped and the oil drops its temperature to lower than 40 degrees Celsius, the level sensor is again activated and the F40A error disappears. So this is just normal work of your car when it registers the F40A code when the engine is hot. If the oil level sensor is actually faulty, you will see a couple of other codes, and also the F40A code will not disappear once the vehicle is called again. But other than that, this is not a fault, and you shouldn't spend any money on new sensors or professional inspections.